Merriam-Webster defines habit as an acquired mode of behavior that has become nearly or completely involuntary. Build powerful habits because your habits will decide your future. That's what successful people advise every other person. Everyone knows that successful people are not necessarily more intelligent or more talented than anyone else. But their habits take them in the direction of becoming more informed, more knowledgeable, more competent, better skilled, and better prepared. In this video, we have brought a very simple and basic step to building everlasting habits. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Habits can be positive or negative. Addictions are habits as well, but they are negative habits. The basic rule to build a habit is to do that thing repeatedly until it becomes part of your routine. It means you have to do something consistently to make it your habit over time. To do something consistently, you need a strong level of motivation. Motivation is the reason why you do something until you accomplish a specific goal. There is a more powerful thing than motivation, and that is your core values. Your values define both who you are and what you stand for. To build a habit, you must define your core values. If you haven't already defined your values, you may find yourself making choices that conflict with what you want. Defining core values also help make life simpler and more efficient and really helps in decision-making. The access point to your motivation in your life is through your core values. Well, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching.